Great. Actually, let's switch to making 1v1 puzzle game. Yeah, let's switch to the puzzle game development. We're done with stop killing games for now. For now. So let's just update that. All right. Let's make sure we're in software development. We're in game development. All right. Game development. On Kick, it's game development. Where did my chat go? Oh, dang, that's crazy. It's just my... Okay, hold up. Hold up. What is this? Okay. Huh. Okay, let me find the chat again. Oh, wait. Here we go. Chat's over here. Sweet. Let's just put it like right here. Right underneath. Okay. Let's test the game. Let's test the game. See what we need to fix. Okay. Second one, starting. Just create a room, then join it. Okay, this is the clone. Oh, there's an error right away. RPC exception? What the heck? I can't really debug it on gRPC call disposed. Huh. Hey, Cortez, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. All right, it's failing on here. Cleanup join battle. gRPC call disposed. That gave me an error. But it didn't break the game. So that means I could wrap this in the try catch block to catch the error, but that's not really fixing the issue. Why does it say it was disposed? Let me see something. It was exactly this line. Another day, another live stream. Adjore. Yes, Adjore indeed. Loving it. Oh man. Whew, okay. I wanna. Let me see. Do I wanna like? I don't even know. Okay, I should look at it and the other. Okay, it's line 74. Let's do lobby client. Okay, here's the actual code. Let me just get rid of this. Okay. Let's put this over here. All right, all right. Is there an error on the server? Let me see. No, there's nothing on the server. Server says nothing. Good morning, big dog. Hey, X-Men Lives. How's it going? Big Simul? Clean up, join battle. Dude, this bug is gonna bug me, even though it doesn't really it's not really gonna do much even if I fix it. It's one of those errors that you can just kind of ignore. Like it's the canceled. gRPC call disposed. So that means the server canceled the connection. And the client wasn't expecting that. How mad are you that I still call you Simuls even though you shifted? Even though you Simul shifted? Well, I don't know. How mad do you get if I still call you X-Men Lifts? Hi, Snapchat. Are you a programmer, Cortez? Or do you like making video games? Okay. So why would the server... So this is on the Join Battle RPC. The Join Battle is... Yeah. So I guess I can take a quick look-sees at the Join Battle server code right here and see if I can like figure out what causes it to cancel when the client is not expecting it to cancel. Oh, I said only if you were mad if I call you X-Men List or something. Oh my gosh. Behind the scene puzzle. Yeah, this is the code. Here's my to-dos that I need to do, I guess, at some point. Remove player from lobby. So unlock and then wait for either start or cancel. Lobby done. I think the only way I'm gonna figure this out is if I put a breakpoint somewhere. But instead of doing that, let me just restart both of them. Oh, I know what's causing it. I think I just had a brain blast. think I just had a brain blast. So let me see if it happens again. Poop maker? No, I wouldn't call you poop maker. Why would I call you that? Did it happen again? Oh, it didn't even happen this time. Oh my gosh, this error happens like every once in 5 or something. All right, well, for now, let's just not worry about it. And then let's just play the game and see how far we get. All right, playing with myself over here. Let's just put this down. Let's put these down. Put those over there. Put a shape here. I should probably fix this card is off the screen, but we'll grab it. This one. This one's way over there. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. Oh, wait. I didn't put it? Oh, there we go. Put this here. Put that there. Poopmaker is a little sus and weird, I guess. That's why I'm not going to call him Poopmaker. Magnus Carlsen's 10th chess tip is to sit at the chessboard and play with yourself. He believes the practice improves one's feel for the game. That's one way to get better, I guess. If you say so. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of space. This doesn't fit anywhere. Cheese. Cheese is good. Love cheese. Wait, I can't place anything else down. Oh, I can place this down somewhere, I think. Can I? No, I can't. I cannot. I can't do it. I just can't do it, Captain. I don't have the power. Is there any other cards in my hand that I'm not seeing? What's going on? He said this in an interview, but it wasn't what he meant to say. I'm sure it was. Okay, what's in my hand? I got 3 cards. Oh, I don't see the other card. Hold up. What if I... Oh, yeah. What card? That one. And... Wait, are they stacked? Oh, they're kind of stacked. Whoopsies. Something's funky with the cards. Oops, they went back there. Wait, why are they stacking up? I gotta fix that. Henry Stickmin? There's actually a guy I follow on Twitch named Poopmaker. That's how I came up with it. My point was just I don't care what you call me. Oh my gosh, what a name. The man's just thought, what is the worst or best name I could think of? All right. This is getting out of hand. Card Proto. Yeah, okay, wait. Why is this? Let me move this over here. Move this over here. And if I pick it up, it kind of... It's just off the screen. Are they overlapping? I guess it's overlapping, huh? Ooh, I can't tell. Oh, yeah, they're definitely overlapping. But I still can't play anything. What is this? Oh, is that it? No, that's nothing. The game is supposed to do something. Unless I'm blind. Wait, maybe I'm blind. Hold up. I can play this here? No, I can't. question for you in Snapchat. What show is better, American Ninja War or America's Funniest Home Videos? I think I'm gonna say America's Funniest Home Videos. But it's close. It's close. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. Okay, cool. This is on the right Unity, so I'm gonna put a breakpoint in the code. And we're gonna get to the bottom of this. Close everything. Player, play card. All right. So put a breakpoint in the validate card. It's supposed to. Actually, this is supposed to happen on the server now that I think about it. Oh, damn. This makes it a little difficult. The server didn't complain at all, huh? Cannot place shape with offset. Cannot place shape at already occupied for... Huh? Where is this happening? Cannot place shape at is within bounds. Huh. Can break the codes. Don't do that. Y equals -1 same. Well, it's not in your bounds. I know, man. This is as offset 0, 0. All right. Yeah, I have no more moves, so I can't do anything. Can I end my turn? I don't know. Okay. Couple errors here. I gotta strategize how to debug this because it takes a while to play the whole game to the end. Well, it doesn't take a long time, but I don't want to have to do that every time. Not every time. So... Or if I do it again, I have to make sure I find out the issue. Can play shape. Okay, where's the play card stuff? I have one function that's supposed to go check if I have any legal moves left, but I guess it's broken. Is this why they say chess is hard to code? Can't help you there. Toby got a Mew? Play card. Handle path card. Or validate play card. Check if move available. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Check if opponent has any possible moves available. So we get both. Mew. What's Mew? The thing what you do with your jaw? Is this a mewing stream now? Will break when we introduce new card types. Okay. If can play shape false. Wait a minute, it doesn't make any sense. What? Does this make any sense? Can play shape. If I can't place the shape, I return false. Right away. And hold up. I'm just realizing that doesn't make any sense. Oh no, it's a mewing stream. Oh no. Don't do it to me. Check if I don't want to end up with a Chad jawline by the end of the stream. Okay. Yeah, this doesn't. Check if move available. So for every card in my hand, I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT. I don't want to. ChatGPT is better at the crazy logic. I need to wait. I'm just gonna ask it. Does this even make sense? Because to me, this whole function is gonna return false if even one shape can't be placed. And I don't want that. I want this function to return false only if all the pieces can't be placed. Not if any single piece can't be placed. You're right to question this logic. It doesn't quite make sense as written. Let's break it down. Rip, bro, rip. Maybe I was in. I don't know where I was when I wrote that function, but is meant to return whether the player has any valid move, whether any of their cards can be placed anywhere on the board. What it actually does, the key logic is this means if any position on the board is not valid for this card, return false. So if just one square out of the entire board is invalid for the current card, the function bails and returns false. Function bails. See, that's what I thought. That is what I thought. That is exactly what I just said. Yep, I was just asking ChatGPT just for a sanity check. Yeah. Whew. So now I'm wondering, like, why isn't this like breaking the game? You want to return true if any valid moves exist. Only return false if no card can be placed anywhere. Yeah, that's what I want. ChatGPT gets me. Dude, you know what? Like, it's crazy. Like, on LinkedIn, like every single post I get on LinkedIn is like, I boosted my startup by 15,000 times or something. Here's how I did it. And then it's like 50,000, like not 50,000, like 10 different AI services or something is their startup. I boosted productivity by 100 times using AI. And then it's like all these messages about like AI replacing people or something like that. And then I'm just like, guys, put down the AI. Put down the AI and just talk to a real person. Like, man, I wish I could show you LinkedIn. My LinkedIn. It's freaking it's like so stupid. It's like literal brain damage. Hold on, let me see. Oh my gosh, dude. Is it literally the first post? This is freaking crazy. Hold up. It's like literally. So like, oh my gosh. I exited 150 million company with 0 unit tests. We didn't have automated testing. No CI/CD pipeline. Every line of code gets a code review. Wait. Oh, wait, it has nothing to do with AI. This is just about testing. All right, well, this was the first post on my LinkedIn. Let me see. Oh, wait, here we go. This has got to be it. This has got to be one of them. Every year, software engineers were going to be replaced. The tools change, but the narrative stays the same. AI will write the code. Why? Because automation doesn't eliminate engineering; it shifts it. I don't know what that post's about. That didn't say anything. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe not right now. Maybe not right now. Oh my gosh. You know that like you copy pasted in code from ChatGPT because there's an emoji. Oh man. Okay. So that should work now, but I wonder why. Didn't get hit earlier. I might have to put a breakpoint here to see what's going on. I'm gonna just do that. And then back to the game. Can't really play anything. It looks good on here. That's the same thing, right? Oh, it's flipped. On the other side. Let me see. Player 1 is this guy. And yeah, it looks right. At least the website's working. So this looks right. Yeah. Okay, so at least the state is not broken of the board. So it's syncing up correctly. It's a good sign. I'm just gonna have to restart. Oh, actually, if I restart, it's gonna put me back in the same game, huh? Let me see. Let me see if that works. Oh, it does put me back in the same game. I don't get my cards though. Maybe that's what's messed up. It might be my hand. So I gotta watch my hand. I'm just gonna end the game so it doesn't put me back. Gotta do it for the sanity checks. Game over, you lose, get good son. Damn, why did I put that in the message? You can't see it because it's white, but here, let me show you. Let me make the text darker. Game over. Where is it? Panel. Why is the text white? Let me make it black. There we go. But it doesn't matter. Let's go back to the lobby. Okay, let's make a new room and then join it. My hand is too many cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess that's right. Let me... Is that my hand? Maybe I'm drawing way too many cards. That might be what's going on. Path card. Wait, I can't even tell what's in my hand. There's like a bunch of cards here on the hierarchy. If you boosted it 100 times, imagine how little they were doing before. Oh, true. It seems I'm not the only one using ChatGPT for sanity checks. If I have an idea I'm not sure about because I pulled it out of my ass, I always check ChatGPT for if it aligns with other libraries and discuss pros and cons. Very astute of you. Very astute. If I do say so myself. Indeed, indeed. Hand position. Oh, fine. Oh, wait a second. These are not my hand. So what are these cards doing? What are these cards doing? Hand position index. Let me just double click on it. Where is it on the scene? Oh, they're like way over here. I think this might be... This is my deck? Huh. I'm not gonna lie, ChatGPT glaze feels good sometimes. I'll write an if statement and it will be like, oh, you're such an amazing dad. Once I become a robot, I'll totally marry you. ChatGPT is already a robot. Maybe I should organize this better in the hierarchy so I can debug better. That might be a good idea. Like a physical robot? Like a... You mean like a... Like one of those vacuum cleaners that move around the house? Your dad has one of those. I forgot what they're called. Proto 2 card. So I think my deck is being scuffed. Deck. Just go to battle. Let's go to the start. Start game. Oh, wait. On, setup, finished. Bit buggy. Maybe if it had ChatGPT, it would be better. You know what? Everything should just have ChatGPT in it. Like, why not? You know what I'm saying? Like, if I'm already paying for ChatGPT, if I'm already paying $20 a month for ChatGPT, why not just like put it in like, why don't I just put it everywhere? If it had ChatGPT, would need a stronger power source? No. 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 Well, maybe if you were running, if you were like running the model on the robot. But if it can connect to Wi-Fi, you're in business. Draw cards, build board. This must be the function that's messing up. Draw cards request. Is it? Maybe not. Oh, I see. I see something. I tried running, yeah, locally, but his GPU was too slow. It was typing grandma speed. Dang. Yeah, my GPU is really good. This computer has a 4070, I think. Yeah, and my other computer has like a 5070. I got the other GPU to play Expedition 33. I gotta finish that game actually. But maybe later. For now, we must code. We must code. Okay, on draw cards. Deck button. We have decks. We have dictionaries. Cards in deck. Okay, so what I need to do is I guess I could make I should make like a I should make a hand and a deck objects on the player. Do I? Let me turn this off. I need to find out if what's on the hierarchy. So I have the game, add player. Okay. So what I can do is I could just like update this player object. Let's do deck. And then let's do hand. Actually, you know what? Why is the deck? Why do I even have the deck? Now that I think about it, dude, now that I think about it, the players shouldn't even get the deck, should they? Because like if the deck is on the client, you can cheat. If someone really wanted to, they could hack the game. Let me think about this. I don't want any exploits in my game. Player and opponent. Well, actually, you won't get the... It is nice to see what cards are in your deck, though, at the same time. It is kind of nice. So I just have to... I just have to make sure the deck is not in order that you draw it in. Okay, that's fine. So let's just do that. We're going to make an empty object. Just call this one deck. And another one we'll call hand. And we're just going to organize the cards a little bit better in the hierarchy so I know what's happening. All right. So clear discard pile. Discard pile is a whole nother thing. So hand, add, drawn cards. Cards in deck. So at some point, the cards in deck becomes something. Put all scriptable cards in deck? That doesn't seem right. Oh, maybe it is right. Excuse me. Crispy Crabs. So cards in deck is just... It's just an array on the player. Whew. That's rough. Okay. Move, transform, parent to deck object. Selected card, transform, set, parent. Whoa, I need to get the deck object first. Deck object equals game object dot find deck. That's kind of a... It's kind of not very efficient. I could just do that on initialize. So let me do that instead. Over here, we're going to do this and then game object. Actually, we only care about the transform, so I'm just going to do transform, deck transform. And then we're going to do deck transform equals game object dot find deck dot get component transform. Or I don't even think we need to do that. We just type transform. Okay, there we go. And then maybe we do the same thing for the hand. Transform, hand, transform. Just do the same thing so it's available. And then when we add cards into the deck, we just set the parent to the deck transform. Okay. Okay, cool. And then when we draw cards, so if I go back to the draw card stuff, play card, nope. Where is the draw card? It's a draw card event. Okay. We add a card to the hand. Oh, the hand is an object. Add card. And we have an add card function. So here, I don't have an initialize. I guess I'll just add it. All right, let's just do inject public void initialize. I didn't know what I was going to do. Freaking AI is crazy. Let's do private hand transform. Forgot the type. And then let's do hand transform equals game object dot find deck dot transform. Okay. So there's that. Then every time we add a card, let's just yeah, update the transform. That way in the hierarchy in Unity, it's a little more organized. It's a little more organized. Cards.remove card. Discarded cards.add. I don't think this actually removes a card from... I also need a discarded cards thing then. Okay, let me just do that too. It's compiling. Let's add another one for discarded cards. Discarded cards. All right. And then when we discard a card, we also need to transform for that one. Lots of transforms. Make sure these are all private too. And we're actually not going to use a hand transform, I guess. So, use that. Discard. Where's the discard cards function? Right here. Card that transform. That's it. Oh, it's private, and this is in the hand. Oopsies. Okay, let's no, I want to take a screenshot. Let's put this in the hand. In the hand, it goes. Hand transform. Might as well put everything in the hand, huh? Well, let me see. What is the dex transform? Put all scriptable cards in deck. I see. I see. Okay, that should be good anyway. Should be good anyway. This needs to change. There we go. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Let's see if the hierarchy is organized with the deck, hand, and discard piles. Should make it easier to debug stuff if it's like that. Uh-oh. Null reference exception. What happened here? Oh, I know what happened. We're in the wrong scene. Hold up. Okay. Turn this off. Let's this is the right scene, and then this one needs to go to the login. I got save. Okay. Asset modifications are saving are blocked in the instance. Wait, what? Wait a minute. What was that? No, why did I lose it? No. All right, let's put it back. Oh, this is the wrong... Dude, I'm in the clone. Oh, what? Thanks for the raid. Holy. What just happened? Dude, you got... Oh my gosh. You guys caught me. While I was editing the wrong Unity. How embarrassing. Okay, wait. Let me check Twitch. Hey, how's it going? Moonwood Games. What is up? Let's see. We got the oh man. The energy, the hype. How's it going? How's your stream? Can I check you out? Let me see. Moonwood Games. That's what's going on here. Whoa. Super. Not the ads. Well, it's you get ads when you're offline. The offline ads. Thanks for the follow, whoever followed me. Oh wait, I don't know if my my emote things are working or my like reward stuff. Actually, why aren't they? Oh, I gotta turn my bot back on. My streamer bot. Yeah, thanks for the follows. Moonwood Games, unknown artist. Hell yeah. Oh wait, this is so the last stream. This was the last stream. All right, I'm gonna follow you. No, I'm not happy. My face just looks like this. All right. How come I can't like edit the video? I mean, like change the... What is this? This was 4 hours ago. It was this one. Oh, dang. Dude. Are we making that game? Oh, I don't want to get DMCA'd. It's not gonna play the music. Wait, how do you not get DMCA'd with if the music? Let's see what engine we're working with. What engine we got here? Wait, what is this? Yo. This is cool. Did you make this yourself? RPG Maker. Huh. I think I've heard of this. But I've never tried it. I wonder what it's like. Oh, heyo. Thanks for the follow. Chemist D Nick. Oh yeah. We're making it, boys. We're making it. Does these emotes actually work? Let me see. Maybe it doesn't work anymore. Oh, I gotta redeem it. Yeah, maybe they don't. Maybe it doesn't do anything anymore. Maybe I'll fix that later, I guess. So for now, no one redeem anything. Actually, why isn't it working? It's like the WebSocket says it's connected. Man, okay. Bruh. I got other ones. Oh, I guess the sound effects work. Just the images that pop up aren't popping up. All right, well that's good enough, I guess. Good enough. Oh, the music can be streamed for free. Oh, that's cool. Hey, that's nice. Oh yeah, I'm making a puzzle game in Unity. Right now I'm like debugging some errors, but I can show you how the game works. Let me just do something real quick. Where's my scene switcher? Disappeared on me. All right, I need to go to the battle scene real quick and then add some game objects. Real quick. Add the deck game object. Add the hand. And then add the discard pile. Discard pile. I think I called it discard pile. Let me double check in the code. Let me double check. Is it called? What's it called? Discard pile, one word. Maybe 2 words. Okay. We should be in business. Recompiling. Okay, cool. Saving it. And then let's go back to the login and then let's test it out. Play. And I got to play with 2 Unities because it's a multiplayer game. So I have another Unity here. And I'm going to play them both. It's hard to test multiplayer games. I don't know why I wanted to make a multiplayer game so badly, but it's fun. It's fun to play with people. All right, so you like have a board like this, and then you get cards, and you basically just have to like put down pieces, and then you gotta like right now I don't even know what the win condition is. Like I am trying to figure that out as we go. I'm getting help. Chat's helping me out, hopefully. And but right now the win condition is just like whoever makes it further up wins. And so like you can only play pieces starting from the bottom. So like if I try to play a piece here, it won't let me. I should probably like make the UI better for that. But so I'll put one at the bottom over here or something. If it doesn't break on me, oh my goodness. Maybe I broke my game already. Oh wait, did it hit a breakpoint? It might have hit a breakpoint. No, I'm not even debugging. Oh, I am debugging. It did hit a breakpoint. Oopsies. Let me turn that off. Okay. So okay, yeah, I played the. Sorry, I had the code froze because I had a breakpoint. All right, so they played, and then on the other one, I'll just put a piece down here, and then I'll go over here. It's like the other player again, and I can just stack pieces on top of each other like that. Then I'll switch to the other person, and then you could just like keep stacking like that, I guess. And then you just put pieces on the board. I don't know. Here we go. We're just doing random stuff. We don't know what we're doing. We're going. We're figuring it out. Part of the inspiration of this game is like an old Yu-Gi-Oh game that no one knows about because there's only like 2 episodes and like people forgot about it. If everyone knows what video game I'm talking about, you get a cookie. It doesn't look like any of this is working. Huh. Yeah, maybe this doesn't make any sense now that I think about it. The 3D graphics with this style of game. Yeah, I mean, this could have been a 2D game, but it's fun to make stuff 3D, I guess. So I'm making it in a 3D board. So if we like look at the board, it's like a panel. If you scroll down, it's just really flat. But these are 3D tiles. 3-dimensional. I like almost everything 3D except girls. Oh, there's definitely people in my audience who would actually know I think they had to leave my stream early, so they weren't part of the raid. Oh, okay. No worries. It is cool. The game I'm talking about is called Dungeon Dice Monsters. Let me show you. Dungeon Dice Monsters. Like this game. You got images. See that? You kind of like have a board. You're like guys can walk on the path you make. And you kind of battle it out with like Yu-Gi-Oh cards on this tile board somehow. It's pretty crazy. No one really knows about it. They made like one Game Boy Advance game and it was like pretty bad. Cuz like the game would be great on a mobile phone because you can just select the tiles with your fingers, but I think you played a version of that before. That was not Yu-Gi-Oh. Yeah, this was like, well, I mean, it's called Dungeon Dice Monsters. But yeah, so we're working on the path stuff. There's a lot of cool things I think you can do with like just puzzle things like this. No worries, see you around. Thanks for coming. Yeah, I got to debug now, and let's debug. Discard pile. Thanks again for the raid, Moonwood Games. Cool stuff. By the way, my name is Crispy Roo, and I'm a game developer. But like, I'm mostly for my work I do server code for the game. So yeah. Okay, I think I'm just gonna ditch this idea actually. Shoot. Yeah, I don't like things nested like that. And it didn't even work. My cards are nowhere. They're in here. Wait. I have one card. Oh, brother. Maybe it shows that I'm not a front end engineer. Struggling with the Unity stuff a little bit. Let's see. The path cards. Oh, they're down here? There's one here. Oh, they're on the canvas. Oh, dang. I have a deck in the canvas. Oh. No wonder it's weird. No wonder it's wonky. Wait, I can't believe it still works though. All right, we're going to have to scratch this idea probably. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I just rename stuff a little bit. Deck, hand. So I have one card in my hand. Not sure if it's necessarily the direction you'd want to go, but the thought I had for the puzzle and win condition, each player can place their cards anywhere on the board, but you can't overlap the blocks, and then you go until the last person can't put down a card and they lose. Oh, that's actually really cool. That's actually a really cool idea. I actually like that idea a lot, actually. That actually sounds really fun. Yeah, we should try to code that right now. Like maybe you can like trap your opponent. That'd be pretty cool. Okay, hold up. Yeah. I gotta figure out. I gotta debug the hand real quick. Cards in deck is 2. Discarded cards is 3. And my hand has a bunch of cards. That's not right. Okay, let me fix some stuff up here. Login, deck. There's an game object in here called deck, and it's messing everything up. Oh, not in here in the battle. Okay, let me switch. I'm always in the wrong Unity because like one of these Unities is not the real Unity. Player deck, canvas. Oh yeah, this is called deck, isn't it? So this should be called maybe deck UI or something. What's in this? Oh, it's a button. All right, let's just call it deck UI and then see what happened. All right, I'm going to replay the game. Oops, I should have saved it. I'm in the wrong scene. Okay. I'm going to save that. Let's go back to the login. It should put me back in the same game. And I got a bunch of cards this time. Player. Okay, my deck is filled up. That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My hand is empty, and so is my discard pile. So that's not good. But actually, my hand has a bunch of cards. This is like my whole hand. All right, we got a few. We got more than one bug that we got to figure out. All right, let's the logic that like recovers the game is a little scuffed. I built it so like you can rejoin the game if you crash or something. But when you rejoin, it kind of like borks itself a little bit. It doesn't recreate the game. perfectly on setup finished. Let me see. On setup finished. We draw cards. We have rejoined. Huh, that looks right. Oh man, I make the best bugs. I make the best bugs. Do you like puzzle games, Moonwood games? Build board, yeah, draw cards. Actually, you know what? Should still work. Draw cards event. Oh, wait a second. I thought I added code here to change it. Oh, I did. Wait. It should be here. Hand transform. Oh, I called the hand transform the deck by accident. That'll do it. I literally can't even. And then the player has, move the player real quick. Let me just double check the player. Player has a deck transform. That's called deck. Okay. That should fix it. So we try again. But you know what? I need to see like, if that's what the game state actually is. All right, let's just play. Oh yeah, you like puzzle games? Nice. I like making puzzle games, and I like making mobile games too. They're just a pain in the butt to test and like share. 1, 2. Okay, this is my hand. I don't know why my hand has so many cards. And actually, I wish I could see the game state, you know? I wish I could see the game state somehow. Like, I want to see what's in memory on my server. Should I just log everything? That might be what I need to do. I might just have to log a bunch of stuff. Let me see. Like on any action, just log a bunch of stuff. I could probably use an interceptor. Let me do that. That might be a good idea. Can I hook into an interceptor like that? Like a battle interceptor. An interceptor is like I have a function here that gets called on every single network call I do. They are really paying a test. I tried making a puzzle game about a year ago and it just failed so hard. Rip. Yeah, I mean, puzzle games are surprisingly hard to make, or like hard to like code, I guess. Like when I was in college and I had a class where he let us like make a web video game, and we ended up making Uno for the class, and then we did good. But like the professor was like, you can make a game, but you just don't try to make chess. And like because he said it was just way too hard because of all the edge cases. I'm like, seems easy enough. But puzzle games, I don't know. They can be pretty heavy on the logic. It could be pretty heavy on the logic. So if I want to do this, I would need access to the server, and I don't think I do. So instead, I could just hook into the play card function, which actually has access to the server. But actually, I could pass in the server to the interceptor. Chess is crazy to try and code. Yeah, I guess I guess people tried to code on Passant and gave up. How do you gotta check for en passant on peasant. Yeah, I actually been playing a lot of chess lately, but I suck, dude. I suck so bad. I'm like the worst elo you can possibly be on chess.com. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna hook into the play card RPC because it's a cool idea to use the interceptor, but at the same time I would have to pass in the server into the interceptor. And I don't want to make the code more spaghetti. Let me see. Let me just see if that's possible. I have a lot of stuffs. There's gonna be there's main. Oh, there's server. And I make the interceptor here. I could pass in stuff, I guess. You'd be even worse if I had an account. Dude, I kind of want to play a game of chess right now. Let me see. Is this am I logged in? Oh yeah, here we go. Play? 5 blitz game? All right, I'm going first. My elo is 200. There we go. All right, we're going to play the Scotch. 2 pawns with a horsey. And another horsey. Dude, he's playing the cow. I'm going to type the cow, question mark, question mark. Because I go here. He's attacking my bishop in this economy. Now he's attacking my horsey. But I can just take his horsey. I don't get it. Oh, wait, I can't even take it. It's not... Never mind. He's attacking my bishop. No. Okay, hold up. What do I do here? He's going for my bishops. And then I guess I could. Let's see. Can't do anything. We're cooked, boys. I could do a desperado and go for it and just like suicide my bishop. Hold up. If I go here, yeah, I can't do anything about that. All right, well, I'm just going to castle. And then he's just going to take my bishops, sadly. I didn't want to lose it, but I don't really have a way to save it. He's not going to take it? All right. So, like, what is he doing? What is he up to? I have to move my queen. Okay, yeah, he did take it. And now he's going for this piece. So I need a counter move. Counter idea. I'll just go here, I guess. He can play with me. Whoa, he's pushing forward. And now my horsey can't go anywhere. Ooh. I have to go back. You want to face the wrath of a 200 elo? All right, what's the play here? I think I can go. I can go here. No. Maybe I just move this. Or... all right, I'm going to just go here. Got head out pretty late, come early in the morning, but thank you for the follow and good luck with the rest of your stream. Yeah, no worries. Thanks for the raid. No worries. Get some sleeps. Okay, he castled. He castled, so I think I'm just gonna go here. I'll make him move his horsey. Uh-oh. He sees my queen. And he moved his horsey over here. Okay. So in that case, I could just go here. And then he is protecting the horse. Oof. Right. Well, I guess I gotta go like something like maybe something like this. And they move the queen. And then I could also go like I could also do something like I can do something like this. Maybe. Uh-oh, that was a bad. No, it was a good move. No, wait. Well, good enough. So we move the horsey back. And I could move this over here. And now, let's see. I could do this. Oh no, he sees it. He sees it. Maybe I'll just go. I can't really go here. Uh-oh, that was a bad move. What if I just go here? Ah, I got checkmated. No. What the heck? This guy is crazy. Why is he so good? What the heck? Let me look at his account. Dude, he played with 74% accuracy? That's crazy, bro. Damn Telemdi, man. I got wrecked. Good job. Good job. All right, back to the game. Back to the game. And I was just going to add logs to the hand. So I'm just going to play card. And just make this simple. I'm just going to add logging to print out the hand. Nope. I need to do. Well, let's get the hand. So let's get the hand player dot hand dot cards. Okay. And then I guess we can do. Can we just do something like print players? What is it? How do you even print in Golang? Print line. All right, let's just do player's hand. Okay, format.sprint. Let's try that out. I'm going to restart the server and then restart Unity. Okay, server restarted, so... Oh no! A bot, we gotta get rid of him. Let me see. How do I ban this dude? Banned. Get out of here. I don't want your bots. Error starting. Let's join the game. All right. Looking good. Let's just see what it looks like in the on the player object. We have the hand. And we got, ooh, this shouldn't be here. Where are these cards here? So the hand has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, man, I don't need fake anything anymore. I've been trying to get people to get off the AI and start talking to real people again, you know? That's like my movement. Like that's what I'm all about here. I'm trying to like teach people that you can talk to non-AI people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks good. These path cards kind of ended up somewhere random somehow. I think these are supposed to be in my deck. So let me see. My deck has all these cards actually. So that's not right. The state's all wrong. So my hand has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, my hand is correct, but my deck is not correct. So, oh, there's more cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Oh, I can just see the elements. What am I counting for? So part of them got here and part of them went here. Okay, wow. Wowzers. Let's see what went wrong on the draw card. Actually, I actually kind of know what went wrong, I think. Player. Put all scriptable cards in deck. Pretty sure this is where things went wrong. Deck transform. Game object dot find deck dot transform. Okay. And then we add to the deck here. Is this not what's happening? On initialize. You know what? I know what went wrong. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I have to do this first and then that. Oh my goodness. How did it not break actually? How did the game not break? It should have been like a null pointer exception. No? No? I don't even know, man. Set parent. Oh, it's saying the parent here. Oh my gosh, we're saying the parent like a bunch of times. Okay. Path card, second path card. Okay. Let's fix it. So that's the second path card. Do that one. Then this one, deck transform. All right, let's test it again. Restart. Okay. Now, if I go back, looks good this time. Ooh, okay, here we go. It's working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That looks good now. Let me play a card. And then it goes from here into... Oh, it doesn't go into the discard pile. Where did it go? Did it get destroyed? There's a discard pile in here. Oh. Ooh, okay. Dang. Okay, I need to rename that too then. Okay. Let me go to battle. I have to rename the discard pile. Let's just call it UI again. Okay. That should fix it. But now, okay. Now I gotta actually play the game and see where it breaks. No, I don't want to. Remind me later. Update. Oh wait. It put me back in the game state. The discard pile is not right. Because my hand is also wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, yeah. I shouldn't have that many cards. I'm gonna just send. I need to send the discard pile down to the client. Okay. Battle. So if I go to player, where's my discard pile? Deck hand. Oh, I don't even have a discard pile. Should I track that? I guess so. I guess I add it. Hand. Discarded. And I'm just going to do an array. Okay. And then I go to the play card. And whenever I play the card, or whenever I remove it from the hand, I just add it to the discard pile. Where do I do that? Place shape. When I play a card, it should be removed from my hand. Maybe that's why I'm having issues. What? I'm not even removing it from my hand? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't see the code to remove it from the hand anywhere. Send to opponent. Okay. Send event to other player in the battle. Yeah. Could just do this, I guess. Is that not legal? Should be legal. Okay, there we go. Yeah, okay. Place shape. Maybe it's in here. Place shape on board. Yeah, that's not it. All right, update the player's hand. Yes. Battle state. Wait, why do I need the player? Player, battle ID, battle state. Okay. I guess we can pass in the battle state. If okay. Player.hand.remove card by ID. I don't think I have a function for that. Add card. I do not. Okay. Yeah, let's not do it that way. Let's do remove card by ID. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we moved it from the hand. And actually, we want to add it to the discard pile, actually. Add to discard pile. Player.discard pile. Discarded. I mean, I guess we should rename this to discard pile. All right. And append this card proto. Okay. Do we have the card proto actually? Oh, we do. Path card. Get path card by ID. Path card. Oh, whoa. It's actually in the database. I guess I put it in the database. Huh, okay. So discard pile, we add it to discard pile, and then add it to the hand. I think that's it. I think that's it. So, okay, and then in the logs for this function, let's like print out everything for now. Let's do print out deck and discard pile also. Deck and then discard pile. All right. All these prints. All right, let's restart the server. Turn them back on. Oh yeah, I lost the room because I restarted the server. Every time I restart the server, I lose the game. It's okay, we'll start over. And let's just double check that the cards are in their right. All right, looks good. Let's play a card. It's in discarded, yes. Okay, cool. That looks good, and it's removed from my hand. All right, that is what I want. I don't know why. Whoops. I don't know why my hand is not refreshing after I play a card. The card should... There shouldn't be a gap here. I think I can fix that real quick. Let's let me search selected card. Selected card on Raycast hit. On left click, tile ray control. So this is for the tile. Okay. Let me see something. This is... Where's on right click? That's what I need to check out. No on right click? Hold up. On right click. Here it is. Whoops. Exit command mode. Select the card equals null. Okay. Show hand. What does this do? For each set active true. Reset hand positions. This is that's actually what I need. Why isn't it doing that? This should actually make my hand fixed. Reset hand positions. Oh, it doesn't do that when I play a card. Refresh card positions. This should be called reset hand index. All right, let's just do reset hand indices. Refresh card positions. Okay. When I play a card, I need to call both of this. So let me go to the player. There's a play card function, and at the end, oh, I am doing it, but I'm not resetting the hand indexes. So let's do that. Reset. Is it a, wait, is that a private function? Is this private? It is private. Let's just make it public. And let's call it here, reset hand indices. Okay. There's that bug fixed. now I would like to check the validate card function to make sure that's working. Actually, okay, wait. I have 3 cards in my hand now. But that's not what is in here. So now, oh wait, it is oh, ooh. No, it's because you draw a card every turn. Okay. That is also true, I think. You know what? I gotta restart this. I gotta restart both these guys. I think the cards are off the screen, but I just fixed the bug that puts them off the screen so we can look at the cards now. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Now, let me check. I thought I could press Alt and then it'll open all of them. Oh, it does. Here we go. Whoa. Too many. So that's my deck and my discard pile is empty. Because on rejoin, I'm not sending my discard pile. Which I probably should. Otherwise, I'm going to get confused. Let's just do that now. Okay. Let's just do it now. On battle. Setup. Finished. Okay. Setup. Finished. Response. Gameplay stream. That's what it is. Okay. So we're setting the battle state. We need to set the discarded cards. Do I do that here? I think I do. So the client calls draw cards at some point. Let me see. Battle starter. Set up gameplay stream. And all it does is call this. That's all it does. Start gameplay stream. So that doesn't call the draw card function. But it should send draw card messages, signals. Hold up. Draw card. Battle client. Draw cards. On end turn. But what about... Okay. So you don't draw cards when the game starts. Or you do it. Oh, no, I am calling it. Oh, okay. I'm calling it on setup finished. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Here's the draw cards. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like I'm gonna send the discarded cards in this function to the client. So let's update the protobuf. Let's just do repeated this card proto discarded discard pile. We're going to send the whole discard pile. And let's regenerate the proto buffs. And then discard pile is on the player dot discard pile. And then that's it. Nice. Okay, so that happens. Let's restart the server and then restart the games. And actually, for that to work, I need to I need to make sure the client reads the discard pile and then updates everything. Okay. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. On setup finished, we're going to get discard pile now from the response. We also get the occupied tiles. Okay. The battle starter, actually. Okay, it calls it on start. That's good. That's good. Okay, let's discard. Let's figure out how to discard the cards. So I'm just going to do discard pile, discarded cards equals this. We have the discard pile. Is that the explicit type? Okay. Oh yeah, it's not. This isn't Python. Discard pile. Initialize part deck and discard pile. We don't need to clear it. Let's just do equals. Can we do that or no? No. Yeah. I think we just got a loop for discarded card. And hey, Skeptic, how's it going? Discard pile. Oh, wait, maybe this isn't Java. Dude, I have too many languages in my head. So I think let's do we could just do a normal for loop. Add a singing duck anywhere in the game. We'll think about it. It's possible. It's possible. Yeah, the for. Oh, there's a for each keyword. Okay. C#. There we go. So we need proto to card. We have a card proto. We need to convert to a card. I have a way to do that, I guess. How do I do that? Let me see. Spinning, my fault? Why is it your fault? The spinning. Proto to card. I have this. We will use this when players can choose their decks. Or now. Actually, this is exactly what I need, right? Let's make this public. Well, there we go. But I got to remove it from the deck. How do I do that? Wait a second. That's not what I want to do, actually. Not quite. I want to. I just need the ID. Okay, we just need the ID so we can find it in the deck and move it to the discard pile. Card in deck is null. Remove. Okay, there we go. Wait a minute. We need this. Let's do discard pile. Is that in the hand? Oh yeah. All right, let's just initialize it again here. Let's do private transform. Discard pile transform equals that. What is it mad about? Expected? Let me remove these. I don't know why those are there. Okay, there we go. Discard pile transform, set parent. Oh, this is a function. All right. And then I think that's it. And we should probably make this into a function. Let's make a function. Private void hydrate discard pile. I think hydrate is the word they use for this kind of operation, you know? To when you re-update the existing state or recovering it, we're hydrating it. And this is going to be, yeah, repeated discard pile, okay? We're just going to call it hydrate the player's deck and discard pile. Ooh, yeah. Sure. Wait, did I lose it? Player discard cards? I don't need to do that. Let's just hydrate discard pile. Set up finish response dot discard pile. Okay. There we go. What is this stuff? Oh, this is the camera logic. Camera logic is gross. Okay. So now the discard pile should be fixed. And I'm going to commit my work because there's a lot of stuff happening now. How many files did I change? I changed a bunch of stuff already. I feel like I haven't done much, but when I look at all the code, it is a lot. Skeptic on another account? How's it going, Cat Codes? Do you like to code? Is it a fellow coder? How's it going? All right, there is a lot of stuff I changed. Wow. I changed a lot. I felt like I haven't done a lot, but I did a lot. Okay, let's just fixing hand and separating deck, discard pile, and the hand. Git push. Okay, cool. Let's go back to Unity. Yeah, but I only know Scratch and a bit of HTML, CSS, and More. Is More a language? More? That's cool. If you, that's kind of what I was doing when I first started coding. I did like HTML and CSS and stuff. A little bit of JavaScript. JavaScript's a little more crazy. Oh, more? Oh, so even more languages. Let's create the room. And let's join it up. Have I seen Brain? Have I seen Brain? Brain fuck? No. What kind of puzzle game are we making? Oh, it's like this. So like you're in the game like this. It's a mobile game. And you get like cards to play on the board. And you kind of just like choose whatever you want to play, and then you can like you have to start from the bottom, and then you can like place something like that. And then I can't do anything anymore. Well, I guess I can still click, but wait a minute. I shouldn't be allowed to click the cards if it's not my turn. Whoa. Okay, there's bugs. There's bugs, but it should have been the other player's turn, and I played 2 cards. So I got to fix that bug, because apparently you can cheat now. But yeah, you can like play stuff on the board like that. And then whoever gets... Right now, I think I want to do a game where like you kind of trap the opponent. And if you run out of moves, you lose the game. I can create a puzzle game on Scratch too. I sub to you. Hey, thanks for the sub. If I finish it, will you play it? Yeah, why not? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, definitely. We'll play it. We can play it. It's a programming language. You can guess what it does to your brain. Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh my gosh. If it's a programming language that's purposely really confusing, that's going to be rough. I can Google it real quick. Let me see. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not on a chair actually. I'm on a ball. I'm on a bouncy ball, so I'm bouncing a lot by accident. Today I learned about the Brainfuck programming language that is only 8 valid characters. I found a Reddit thread. Is this what it is? It's not really remarkable that you can create a programming language with 2 valid characters. In fact, you can easily create a programming language with only 2 valid characters. I gotta watch this later. Yeah, I'm in a bouncy ball. Let me show you. It's a bouncy ball. It's a yoga ball. All right, I gotta prevent the player from being able to play more than 1 card in a turn. Let's do that. So when I click on the card, on right click, it's going to be my on right click. No, it's on my on left click function. I have to make sure it's my turn. And on left click. BF. Yeah, BF. That's good. What about BFF? Maybe it could be BFF, you know? On left click, where is the okay, tile card rate control. Here we go. This is the function I'm looking for. My game's called Untitled Duck Card Game or something like that. That's not the name. That's just the default name. If you search BF Snake Game, someone made it. Oh no, that's gonna take me all night to understand. That's something we can check out next stream. But I'm wrapping this stream up, so I gotta go to bed soon. Because I gotta work on Pokemon Go. I got stuff to do in Pokemon Go. So if it's I am checking if it's my turn here. So what's going on? I'm gonna put a breakpoint right here. I'm putting a breakpoint right here. I'll probably stream tomorrow, maybe. I might go to Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu class tomorrow. But if I don't, then I'll stream. I basically stream whenever I don't go to Jiu-Jitsu class. That's basically my schedule. Okay, there's a breakpoint, and then ooh, I think this whole thing is borked. I'm gonna restart the game. Quit. Is it gonna quit? Core is already occupied. What is this? No, I'm just trying to quit. It won't let me quit unless I... Okay, there we go. Is it quitting? Battle not found. Oh my goodness, we are borked. We are in a borked state. Let's see. Let's restart. Jujutsu Kaisen? Yeah, man. Jujutsu Kaisen in real life. Actually, I have a cool Jujutsu Kaisen. Picture over here. I got these pictures at Anime Expo in LA. And we have Uzui right here. He's cool. He still has his arm. Maybe it's hard for you to see him. Oh no, that's Demon Slayer. What am I talking about? Jujutsu Kaisen is Sakuna, which is this guy. Yes, Sakuna, the dude with the fingers. Okay, let's test it out. Join the game again. And play. Oh, okay. We hit the breakpoint. That's good. And if I click it again, let's see. 2-4 U41. Yeah, Demon Slayer is really cool. I love it. And they're coming out with the movie in September. Dude, the Infinity Castle, I think is what it's called. 2VU. Oh, it does. It says it's my turn. I think these are the same. N8U3 U93. Yeah, that's it does say it's my turn. Even though I just played a card. We got to find out why that happened. Gotta find out why that happened. On play card. It just, I guess I just need to update. Player number? Wait, what do I do with this? Okay, hold up. Current player turn. Where do I update this? On left click on end turn. Yeah, okay. Wait. On end turn should update it. Unless this isn't working. So I should put a breakpoint there too. But I'm pretty sure on play card calls end turn. No? Maybe it doesn't. Okay, when does this function get called is the question. Oh, wait. It's that's an event. You have to watch the third and fourth seasons of it, but can't wait for the movie. Oh yeah, you gotta watch the rest of it. Dude, it's so good. All of it's pretty good. It's crazy. It's crazy. There's a lot of anime I need to watch. Man. So this might be broken. I'm going to put a breakpoint there. Okay. 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 Hunter x Hunter is cool too. I watched that when I was a kid. When I was a little kid. That was fun to watch. Except Hisoka is freaky. Hisokas are really freaky. Can play sport on card. On play card. Let me look at the play card stuff. I just need to like remember how everything works in this game. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna go to the player class. Play card somewhere. I guess I don't end my turn anywhere. Is that why? End turn. It only happens when I press the button. Oh. Oh no, wait. If played cards that count is greater than 1. What is this logic though? That doesn't make any sense. Hold up. If played cards dot count is greater than 1. No. Oh. Oh, what the heck? I have a played cards array, and this doesn't even make any sense. Alrighty then. Yeah, I think. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think the played cards. All right. I have two things doing the same thing. So the played cards should be reset every turn. Oh, I kind of see. So this is like played cards this turn. So I should reset played cards dot clear. I'm also doing it in the end turn. Yeah, okay. Okay, actually this makes sense a little bit. This does make a little bit of sense. Play cards like clear and then end turn. And this happens after I play the card. So really the end turn function might be wrong because it's not updating who the current player is correctly, apparently. So I just put a breakpoint here and then test it out is the plan. So let's just do that. Play and then oh, it hit this breakpoint? Yeah, because it's my turn now. And oh, wait a second. Okay, yeah. So the next player's turn is N8U93. So the response is coming in correctly that time. Let me play a card again. Let's go back. It didn't hit the breakpoint? Wait a minute. What? Oh, I see the issue. I do see the issue. Okay. To do. There's a bug. End turn response is not sent to the person who played the card. So we need to find a different way to update the current player turn. Okay, I'm just going to write this note for myself so I know what to do to fix this later on. But for now, I'm just going to end the stream because I got to get some sleep. It's like 2:30 right now. 2:30 in the morning. Welcome to the 2:30 in the morning stream, y'all. Are you ready to get freaky?
Hello.
Whoops. That was Ross. Okay. All right. See you later, guys. Thanks for coming to the stream. Wait, before I go, I have to go bald. Oh, we have to end the stream bald. I hope you guys are ready. Is it working? No. Oh, there we go. Now we're bald. Should I shave my head? Looking good? Looking like Avatar? Do I get an arrow? Saitama? One Punch Man? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Actually, I got a video from, I have a photo. Let me see. Maybe I can find it. Maybe I can't find it. Ah, dang. I have a video of me punching Saitama, or like a photo that's kind of funny. I'll have to show you later. All right. Well, I'm out. See ya. See you later. One Punch.